Do you know that according to the European Commission, the average cost of electricity in Europe is around 22 cents per kilowatt-hour? Therefore, if a household in Europe uses around 4,000 kilowatt-hours per year, they would spend around €880 per year on electricity. Keep watching this video to find out how much money you can save every year just by installing a balcony power plant.
Get 3% extra discount on bank transfer during our biggest seasonal sale. Visit our website for incredible prices on a huge selection of products. Limited time offer, hurry.
But let's make sure you have the necessary information to maximize your savings before you jump to the conclusion. With balcony solar panels, your savings depend on variables like system size, sunlight availability, and power costs in your area. First, let's get to know Hans, our friend from Germany, and see his life before and after switching to renewable energy. Living in an expensive city was financially challenging for Hans. He struggled to keep up with the high cost of electricity, which kept increasing every year. Despite this, he continued to rely on traditional energy sources. One day, he heard about the balcony power plants from a friend who works in the solar industry. Unlike you, the smart person who is watching this video to increase your savings, Hans did not know that a balcony power plant is a small solar panel system that can be installed on balconies or rooftops to generate electricity. He then quickly invested in a photovoltaic system and installed a balcony power plant after getting all the necessary instructions and ordering equipment from his friend. Now, let's hear the rest of the story straight from the horse's mouth. Take it away, Hans.
Finally, a smart investment. This has not only helped me save around €440 in 2022, but has also remarkably reduced my electricity bills. I am now capable of generating my own electricity and fulfilling all my daily energy needs, which makes me feel proud to contribute to a sustainable future and increase the value of my property. The installation costs were significantly reduced with the help of government tax credits and rebates, making this investment even more attractive. These solar panels are incredibly durable, and I am confident that I will enjoy reliable and sustainable energy for years to come without worrying about replacing them. I look forward to seeing how much more I can save and how much more impact I can make as a responsible homeowner.
Hey there. Did Hans' experience with the balcony power plant pique your interest? If you have any questions or uncertainties about the balcony power plant, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We would be more than happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest news and information about renewable energy. Additionally, check out our website in the description box below for exciting offers and deals. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.